Hi, good evening all. Hope you all doing good. Sorry, I shouldn't ask that. I mean, like because a lot of investors and long traders like me had a very bad week. Had a very bad week. So anyway, apart from markets, hope you all doing good and your health is well as well. So what happened in the market? Let's see, and what is likely to happen next week? Let's see, and let's talk about some psychology. I want to keep this video very short, so without delay, we'll just go. So what happened in the market? Market opened here, went up. Let me change the color. Yeah, market opened here and went up, then traded balance till Wednesday, and yesterday expiry started cracking up, and today we broke this important trend line and closed comfortably below that. What was the expectation from me was when market was balancing here near a strong support zone. Okay, this was a strong support zone and market made a all-time high from this zone. So what I felt was market likely to hold this support, and I thought it will scale up towards 18,600 zone. Okay, 18,600 or 700 zone. This was my view till Wednesday. Yesterday when market closed below this balance, okay, so I felt somewhat not comfortable by holding longs. So we trimmed most of the longs here. Still I was bullish bias. Okay, that was a mistake indeed, but still I mean, like changing the bias, being a discretionary trader and changing the bias will take at least 3 to 4 days. Okay, psychologically, until unless you are very strong and you are very contented. I mean, contented as in like mindful. So you can change that too. It takes at least half a day to change your bias. So when market was trading here and when market was holding the 1830 level in the morning, what I felt was it could go like this. Okay, if market went flat, I could have had that wave. Rather, what market did was market started scaling down. So now what are the important levels we need to watch for, and the context? Okay, the context of the market has changed bearish after today's close. The context of the market had changed bearish. Till here the context was sideways to bullish. Okay, this was the context, but yesterday's close and today's close below this level had changed the market context to bearish. Now coming to that point, do we need to short here? No, because I always say these are all the important zones where market testing for first time. Okay, if you see 18,000 level is where 18k level is where most of the long stop losses would have been placed. It could be here, the longs here, including the traders like me who went long here would have kept a stop loss below this mark, which is at 17,900. Okay, and it been knocked out here even on a closing basis level. Now we tested an important VPOC of this day, 28th October, 17,832 was the VPOC of this day. Okay. So we tested that near closing level and we bounced 50 points from that zone. Now Monday, if we open flat, okay, if we open flat and if we reject this zone and if we stay here, I expect a test of this trend line going forward by Wednesday or Tuesday. Okay. In case Monday, if we have a gap up open here and starts driving up, okay, I will be watching how this high of expiry will be crossing or how this high of the balance is going to react. Now as the context is changed bearish, any pullback will be shorted again. At least the first pullback will be shorted. So you need to wait and strike for the first pullback. So the first pullback could be this trend line, the first pullback could be this or this high test. Okay, any rejection here I will be shorting, looking for a target of say like 200 to 300 points. So I want to talk about an important psychology. Why people become recurrent to book a loss, how that mindset is being formed. When market trades sideways, most of the traders busy trading in this range where they lose a bigger amount, especially option buyers lose very bigger amount. And what they do is, most of the traders by nature want to short highs, want to go long at the lows, want to short highs, want to go long at the lows. By seeing this chart, their mind is primed to short at highs, go long at lows. So their mind is primed like that. Now what smart money does is, smart money goes a balancing move like this, where let us say on this occasion I shorted here, I was waiting for this VPOC to be tested, this day's VPOC to be tested and even this VPOC to be tested with a stop loss above this, mark. What happened? It just cracked, it closed here, it started scaling up. Here I was very complacent that market will come back, okay. By this time my energy was totally drained, my mind was totally drained. Though market had come back to the level where I had initiated short, but the amount of stress I had gone through this phase was huge. Though smart money shorted here, fine. But being a retail, you need to, timing is the key. See, again I will tell you, being a retail, you need to time the market well. Context plus timing on the context, on this context equal to profits. So this timing should be very nimble, where you need to just spot a zone where you need to get momentum as well as a low stop loss as well as a good zone to book profits. So all these three need to be maintained and need to be seen. So here people fought like this. Once it started going up, people don't know what to do. Again it came down, again it took a support, it started scaling up. Here, so every phase it will do what it had done this is where most of the people will be gone recurrent. Okay, all the bulls yesterday, okay, 18k is support. Let's wait and watch. Today 18k had broken. Okay, they will come. Okay, next support at 17,700, 17,750, whatever. So they keep on finding the support. One fine day, definitely market going to bounce. Market, as I always say, market won't go like this. Market won't go up like this. It will go like this up. It will go like this down. Okay. So one day market, but the amount of stress we had gone through this phase. Okay. One more day you can hold, and the fourth day, if it cracks right, you will book your loss, where you could have booked your loss today or you could have booked your loss yesterday, but here you will book your loss. And once market finds a support here, and that's where the market is going to bounce. So the saying goes, don't let your losses out of hand. So with that note, I am ending this episode. So next week, where market is going to open is the key. Monday, if we open here and if we take a support at today's low, which is also an important VPOC at 17,830 or 800 levels, we can expect a bounce towards this trend line. In case market opens gap up here, this can very well go and test this high or even this high. I mean, I am not talking about the same day. It could be on Tuesday or it could be on Wednesday. But my idea next week is, I will wait for the first pullback to short this market for 100 or 200 points on Nifty puts. That would be my idea until market doesn't clean this high. So I will be very keen watching how market opens on Monday. Take care. Happy weekend. Be in good health. Bye.